Hello, welcome to the Maths Academy. We have to solve the most interesting problem, that is b times b minus b times b is equal to 18, and we have to find the value of b. So, solution: b times b, here the bases are same, so this will become b cube b power 3 minus b times b can be written as b square is equal to 18. B to the power of 3 minus b square, 18 will move to the left side, this will become minus 18 is equal to 0. B to the power of 3 minus b square minus 18 can be written as 27 minus 9 is equal to 0. B to the power of 3 minus b square minus 27 minus multiply minus is equal to plus 9 is equal to 0. B to the power of 3 minus b square minus 27 can be written as minus 3 to the power of 3 plus 9 can be written as 3 to the power of 2 is equal to 0. B to the power of 3 minus b square minus 3 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 2 is equal to 0. Now we have to combine b to the power of 3 with the 3 to the power of 3 and b square with the 3 square. So this will become b to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3 minus b square plus 3 square is equal to 0. Now we have to enclose them in parenthesis. This will become b to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3 here minus b square minus multiply plus is equal to minus 3 square is equal to 0. Now we have to apply here two identities for this and this. The first one is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, and for this we have to apply the identity a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times a plus b. Now we have to apply this identity for b cube minus 3 cube. This will become a minus b mean b minus 3 times a square mean b square plus 3b plus 3 square minus, and for this we have to apply this identity. This will become b minus 3 times b plus 3 is equal to 0. B minus 3 times b square plus 3b plus 3 3s are 9 minus b minus 3 times b plus 3. Now we have to common b minus 3, so we take b minus 3 as common. This will become b square plus 3b plus 9 minus b plus 3 is equal to 0. Here this minus b minus 3 and this b minus 3 take as a common, so here remain b plus 3. b minus 3 times b square plus 3b plus 9 minus multiply b is equal to minus b minus multiply plus is equal to minus 3 is equal to 0. b minus 3 times b square plus 3b minus b is equal to plus 2b plus 9 minus 3 is equal to plus 6 is equal to 0. Here we have two cases. The case 1 is b minus 3 is equal to 0, and here b square plus 2b plus 6 is equal to 0. Here case 1, b is equal to minus 3 goes to the right side, this will become plus 3, and this is the b1 is equal to 3. This is the first solution of the problem. In the case 2, to solve this we use the quadratic equation. So we know that here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 6. The quadratic equation is b is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now we have to put these values on the quadratic equation. This will become b is equal to minus b, the value of b is 2, so minus 2 plus or minus square root of b square mean 2 square minus 4 times a is 1, c is 6 over 2 times 1. b is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square is equal to 4 minus 4 times 1 is equal to 4 times 4 ones are 4 times 6 over 2 ones are 2. b is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of, here 4 is common, so 4 into 1 minus 6 over 2. b is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 times 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5 over 2. b is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 times 5 times minus 1 over 2. Now b is equal to minus b is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 is equal to 2 square times 5 times minus 1 over 2. b is equal to minus 2 plus or minus, here the 2 moves outside because square cancel the square root, this will become 2 square root of 5, and here minus 1, we know that square root of minus 1 is equal to I, so we put I in place of minus 1, I over 2. b is equal to minus 2 over 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 5 I over 2. To cancel with 2, here b is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5i. This is the complex solution, so b2 is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5i, and b3 is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 5i. So this is b2, this is b3. So these are the solution of this beautiful maths problem, and we know that b1 is equal to 3. So these are the three solution of this interesting maths problem. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel.